Hey everyone, welcome to a fun-filled full day. So I'm just starting the day off with a nice hot cup of coffee using my almond milk pumpkin creamer, of course. Nothing like a nice hot cup of coffee on a chilly fall morning to get your day started. Now on to breakfast. This day I decided to try out a new recipe for pumpkin spice French toast. All you will need for this recipe is some ground cinnamon, pumpkin pie spice, of course a can of pumpkin puree, and eggs. You can also add in some of that almond milk pumpkin spice creamer that you guys had saw me use earlier. So next you'll just want to combine all of those ingredients together and give them a good whisk. Now let's talk about the bread. This is the absolute best bread to make French toast with, by far. After you've greased your pan, you can just go ahead and dip the bread into the egg mixture, making sure that the bread is evenly coated. And then you're just going to take your toast and place it onto the pan. So once the coating on the bread starts to turn that nice golden brown color, you know that the French toast is done. I decided to have one of these La Colombe pumpkin spice oat milk lattes alongside my French toast. And might I add that this was some of the best French toast I have ever tried, so I definitely recommend trying this recipe out. So I had ordered a few fall candles from Bath & Body Works, and on this day they had arrived, so I'm just showing you a few of the fall scents that I had purchased. I don't think that there's anything better than lighting a candle on a cozy fall day. And I also thought it looked pretty cute alongside my coffee table decor. And having the candle burning just kind of added to the overall coziness. So here I'm just showing you another option that you could use to make the French toast with. I will say though that the French toast that I made with the brioche bread did actually come out better. There's just something about the fluffiness of that bread that just kind of absorbs all of the flavors. A little later on in the day, I decided to make a festive fall charcuterie board, and here I'm just showing you the actual serving tray that I used to display the charcuterie. And if you couldn't tell already, I was going for a fall vibe with the leaves and the little acorn bowl. So here are just some ingredients of the charcuterie board. I have some pumpkin gouda, pumpkin spice goat cheese, as well as some roasted almonds and cashews, and dried cranberries. Just thought I'd throw this clip in here real quick of some other fall festive treats that I picked up as well from the grocery store. And can't forget about the pumpkin pie hummus and candy corn. Also cut up an apple and squeeze some lemon juice on it to prevent the apple from getting brown while it was displayed on my charcuterie board. Alright, now back to the ingredients so we can assemble everything. Wanted to incorporate a few different crackers into the mix, so here we have some sociables, some rosemary Triscuits, as well as some Stacy's cinnamon sugar pita chips for the pumpkin pie hummus. Here's my charcuterie board pro tip. After you've assembled the meat and cheese, just fill in any sparse looking areas with smaller items such as nuts and cranberries, and I even have some fresh fruit. I just love the combination of sweet and salty. I also decided to incorporate some cupcakes as well as some apple fruscato wine. Masterpiece. And if you are of the legal drinking age, I would totally recommend the apple fruscato, as I think it paired rather nicely with the other fall flavors.